I am making a lemon pound cake, starting with the lemon cake mix. Now, if you don't have a lemon cake mix, you could use white or yellow cake mix and add lemon extract or lemon zest. That's just the yellow part of a lemon if you want, and some lemon juice. You could just replace 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for the water. That's all you have to do if you don't have a lemon cake. Okay, so I already made another lemon pound cake, so I'm just going to go and reuse all of my dirty dishes so I don't have to wash more dishes. I'm all for not washing dishes, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you don't like washing dishes. All right, there is my lemon cake mix, my oil, and my water, and my lemon cook and serve pie filling. I have all my eggs here. Now we're gonna mix this all up. Now I've got my cake pan, and usually I try to remember to do cake mix to leave like a tablespoon or so in the package of the cake mix to flour your pan, but I forgot, of course, because, well, I just forgot. Okay, so I am getting it all nice and coated on the bottom. I'm gonna throw that out. My pan's all coated, and I am going to pour in. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake. Oh, yum. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off. All right, here is my lemon pound cake. I am going to let this cool for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it onto a cooling rack and we will glaze it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm whipping up a lemon glaze now. I have my lemon that I used the rind for one of my pound cakes. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't have any seeds. See those seeds? So I just run it through my little sieve here, but you can just use your fingers if you want. Use your fingers. You can just go like this and let it fall in. Well, there's none in this side. Oh yeah, there is. See how it just catches in your fingers? You can do that too. I do a whole lemon for a double batch. I do a half a lemon for 1 pound cake. I'm making 2 pound cakes right now, so I am doing a double batch. Get all that yummy goodness. All right, then take powdered sugar. Now, I want it to be a fairly thin glaze, so I'm going to take some water, and about a tablespoon at a time, I'm going to add it until I get the consistency that I want. Okay, now, can you see how it kind of drips? Ooh, perfect. Oh, yum. You gotta love lemon glaze. Recipe for my lemon glaze is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 303. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code, or go to my website, livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. I totally spaced putting in my butter, so I'm going to add my butter in here. Oh, that's still really delicious. Oh my goodness, yum. All right, I have my cooled cake here, and I set it on a tray, and now I am going to drizzle Some lemon glaze on top. Oh my goodness gracious, yum. Now I'm doing it this way just so the glaze doesn't pool all over the bottom of the cake, and then the cake's sitting in glaze getting soggy. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Okay. All right, we're going to let that sit for just a minute and finish dripping, and then, oops, well, that was more than I thought. And then we will cut it. Yum. Okay, well, I have my easy lemon pound cake here. I'm going to cut a piece to see if my son would like to test some.
It's a big slice.
Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's lovely. You don't have to eat it all, but,
right.
But let them know if it's delicious.
It's very fluffy.
Very
Why?
fluffy. Delicious.
Ooh, yeah. That's really good.
Lemon pound cake. Yum. Sour cream lemon pound cake. I got a lemon cake mix here. And I'm going to make this deluxe pound cake version. So I got cake mix, lemon pudding, the cook and serve lemon pudding. Makes it really super moist and delicious. Got my eggs. All right, and then I've got my oil and my water. And you don't have to use this. This is optional, but just to really make it lemony, lemon extract and lemon zest. If you want, this is optional also. I use the big side because I like bigger pieces of lemon. Oh my goodness, that smells delicious. By the way, if you're afraid of cutting your hands, I have this cutting glove that I keep forgetting to use, but oopsie there, I just ran my thumb down it and it didn't even hurt. Then just throw it in the washer when you're done. And then this makes it super yummy, sour cream. All right, now we're gonna mix this all up. All right, let's see if it's lemony and pound cakey. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. Yum. That's good. Got my bundt pan here. I'm going to spray it really well with oil so that nothing sticks. And just to make sure it really doesn't stick, now normally what I do is I leave a little bit of cake mix in the bag, and I forgot. But normally I leave a pinch of cake mix in here, but that's okay. Mistakes were made. And then I just take a little bit of flour and flour it so that my bundt cake really doesn't stick. Get as much flour on there as you can. Yeah, I do this over the kitchen sink so it's not as dirty, but you can see how I do it here. Okay, then I'm gonna go dump out the rest of it in the kitchen sink. All right, now we're gonna pour in our lemon sour cream pound cake. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. Now the dark cake pans like this, if it calls for 350, you wanna bake it at 325 because the dark ones will burn. So I'm gonna bake this at 325 for about 50 minutes. If you don't wanna use a box cake mix, you can use my pound cake in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 on page 286. and all you have to do is add a box of pudding and a teaspoon of lemon extract and a teaspoon to a tablespoon of lemon zest. You will have lemon pound cake. You can take a picture of the recipe here, take a picture of the QR code, and get the recipe at my website livingonadime.com, or go to the link in the description below. All right, my sour cream lemon pound cake is done. I'm gonna let it sit in the pan to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will take it out. All right, got it here. It's still actually pretty warm, but I'm going to pull away from the edges. And now comes the fun. Oh, that's so beautiful. Ooh, that came out very lovely. Okay, we're gonna let this cool, and then we are going to glaze it. Okay, now I got my pound cake here. I forgot, I don't know why I put it on the tray because I don't normally do that yet. Okay, so here we go, and we got our glaze that we are going to put on top. Oh, yum. Okay, we're gonna let that drain for just a minute, and then we will cut it, and my son is waiting to taste test it. Okay, my taste tester is here. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? Okay, wow. Mr. Taste Tester Man.
Let's see.
What does thou thinkest? Because you're not being paid to say what you think. Oh, man.
Yeah. Holy cow, that's really good.
That is really good. That one's sour cream. Lemon pound cake.
It's got a really nice crust on the bottom too. Like
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yay!